So recently I posted this video that talked about creating and listing SVG files for sales on Etsy. And I remember that I stated in the video that when you're listing it, especially when you're listing a bundle of a lot, you have to upload them on a different drive and then create a PDF that leads to the drive where people can download it from. Now, this amazing comment has told me to create a video on how to create this PDF, and that is what I'm here to do today. So if you've not watched that video about creating SVG files, I want you to go over there first, watch it, and then come over here and watch this one. So first of all, guys, I'm going to show you the concept behind this. So look at this listing that I have on my Etsy store. Now, this listing has a lot of files. It has about 20 or more files because they are JPEG files, okay? And now these JPEG files come in different sizes. Now, Etsy allows you to upload only 5 files, but when you have a lot of files to upload, this is what you have to do. Okay, so let us imagine that you have 10 files to upload. You want to upload 10 SVG files. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your drive. Now, for example, you can see that I have wall art, 4 folders over here, and these 4 folders each contain about 10 images of that listing. So I have 40 images here, and know that I cannot upload 40 images Etsy. I have to consolidate them. So what you're going to do is you're going to create new, and you're going to create a new folder. Okay, so you're going to name your folder. Let's name this folder Etsy. Okay, so create. Now, when you create that folder, okay, you're going to select files. So what you're going to do is you're going to select some images. You're going to select the files that you've uploaded. Note that you have downloaded your SVG files, like I said in the previous video. You have them on your computer. So you're going to download them. Okay, and you're going to upload them into your drive. Now, when you've uploaded them into your drive, you create that folder and put all your stuff in that folder. Okay, so imagine that this is the folder that we created, the Etsy folder that we created. Okay, we're going to click on share and we're going to copy link. Okay, this part that has general access, it has to have anyone with the link can view. Don't give them commenter or editor because they can delete your file. Okay, so they can view because anyone that can view can download it, and then leave this at anyone with the link. Don't restrict it. Okay, so you're going to copy the link, and where we're going to go to now is Canva. Okay, now this is the one I created for my store. Okay, so here it says it has the name of my store. It has an image of one of the files, okay, and it has like a thank you message here, thank you for purchase, and then your download links. Okay, so I have put, because each of these downloads had to come in different folders. For example, the A4 size came in a different folder, the portrait came in a different folder, okay, like that. So we have 10 images in each of the folders. So I've written here your download links. Okay, so this is your download links. You put the links here for the person. All these links are clickable. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to create yours. And I've written here, please contact me via messages on Etsy if you encounter any roadblocks. Stay blessed. Okay, all right, so now let's go create our own PDF file. So we're going to go here and type newsletter. Okay, always remember Canva templates. Okay, oh, right from the start, I love this one. So let's just use this one. Let's use this newsletter. Okay, and let's say that we're creating for thetobyrich Digital. Okay, perfect. So over here we're gonna say thank you for your purchase. All right, so you're going to write an extensive message here. It doesn't have to be too long. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you. I appreciate your purchase. Now remember, again, like I said, if you are not sure on what to write, you can go to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate a thank you message, and ChatGPT will generate a thank you message for you to add to all of this. All right, so over here you don't need upcoming events, you don't need anything like that. You can totally delete this, and here you can now put your links, download links. Okay, now over here we're going to change this to, for example, let's just say link 1. Okay, let me make that bigger so that you can see. Okay, great. So let us say link 1. Remember to customize this. However, you know, I showed you mine. Okay, so remember to customize it. So we're going to click on this link 1. You're going to right click, click link, and then you're going to paste that link that's created. Now you can see that this link 1 is now attached to this link. Okay, so when your customers purchase it, it is this link you're going to go. So when you download this, okay, you download this as a PDF file. Okay, you download it as PDF. Okay, PDF, and just click download. Okay, so where this one is going to go, when you go to Etsy, okay, let's go to listings. Okay, let's imagine that we're creating a new listing. So click on add listing. Okay, so imagine that you're creating a new listing. Of course, it's going to physical item or digital files. Okay, who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. You're going to go ahead and fill all of this. Okay, when was it made? 2020 to 2024. Created by me with an AI generator? No. Okay, you click on continue. Okay, here it says add your photos. Okay, this is where you add your mock-ups and all of that. Okay, now where it says add digital file, you're going to add that PDF file that you've created. Okay, because you have lots of files that you cannot upload. Here you can see that Etsy has said you can add up to 5 files. Okay, but because you have more than 5, you have 10 or 50, you're going to add that PDF file that you have now downloaded and that has this link. Okay, so that when your customers purchase it, okay, when your customers purchase your item, they get that PDF file, and on that PDF file it has the link of where they can download all the files, as many files as you want. Now there are paid platforms where you can upload your files, okay, and then people can go download it from there. But right now, while you're still working with what you have, the Google Drive works perfectly. And then as your business continues to scale, you can now use one of those paid platforms, okay? But the Google Drive works perfectly for now. All right, guys, if this video has been helpful, kindly click the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.